Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do for the M12 Rover light by Milwaukee, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Next thing we're going to be unboxing is going to be the Rover M12 LED floodlight. It is part number 2364-20. Again, 2364-20. Okay. Scissors. Ooh, I just saved the camera. Almost dropped you guys. There. Okay. This one out. It's got the instruction booklet. Oops. Drop that one again. Okay, put that one on the floor. It's got a really strong magnet, and yep, I dropped you guys. Trying to pull it off the table. Alright. That's very cool. And it retracts. It's very neat. It's actually very nice. It's very nicely built. Pop in this the 3.0. That's what it looks like with the 3.0 in it. That is really bright. High, medium, and low. So 1000 lumens, so it turns on high. 400 lumens is medium, and 200 lumens is low. So high, medium, and low. On, off. Simple. It's very nice. You can carry it. It also states that spring-loaded reinforced clamp with 1 5/8 leg thickness. So you could basically retract these legs. Pull these legs right here out, and you can wrap it around like a 2x4, and it will actually stay on the 2x4. That would be the clamp. So this is used as the clamp. The stick would be the magnets. It also has a diamond in the back. You can literally hang it on a hook, or you can hang it on a bolt or a screw, or you can carry it, which very nice set of features. I'll definitely be doing a review on this later, after I've gotten time to use it quite a bit, mess with it, and play with it. It does show battery right here. So all the M12 tools that I have bought have the battery indicator on the tool, not the battery, which I don't mind. It's actually pretty nice. So that's this guy. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliates. And by the way, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED chips. And like I was saying, please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Check out some other videos I got on my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comments and criticisms down below. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.